Who is he?
Shoaib was undoubtedly the quickest. My goodness, he was quick. He was serious.
No matter how fast you are.
But I saw him bowl. He looked very lethal.
What a delivery. Fast and furious, on target.
That was quick and straight. Look at that. Two-step.
Oh, it's got it. Beautiful bowling. That is brilliant stuff from Shoaib Akhtar. He's been trying to do that all over. Magnificent stuff from Shoaib. So that is a huge wicket for Pakistan. Jacques Kallis is on his way back to the heart.
Captain Yusuf Yohana. Ideal delivery. Great side for the fast bowler. Knocking the middle stump right out of the ground. And it's going to be a long walk back to the pavilion. Breeze Shoaib Akhtar.
And spoil him, clean him up with a fantastic in-swinging ball. That is magical stuff from Shoaib Akhtar. Cleaned up first ball, Mark Waugh.
Well, he's caught him napping. Mark Waugh's come out. Match, Shoaib Akhtar will be on a hat-trick. Look at it go in, bang, off the legs, onto the stumps. Rattle, Mark looks around. Oh, my dear. First ball, Shoaib, isn't he happy? Like I said, just what... Here we go.
Very close to an outside edge. Desperately close, but not close enough. Very close to the stumps. We'll try again, Shoaib Akhtar. Close. And given by the umpire. This is magical stuff. This is incredible cricket from Pakistan and Shoaib Akhtar. He's picked up 3 huge wickets in 1 over, and Pakistan is
Bowling full again. Let's have a look at the tram lines. Just outside. Well, there's the shadow of the stumps there. He's caught him on the crease.
Well bowled. Asked the question of... No, he's given him! Big wicket! Pakistan has got him in front.
Hayden getting a long way across, and that's a good decision. Ball is hitting the pad in line.
Missed it completely. Middle stump out of the ground. Now, is that sheer pace or is that a misjudgment?
It's a typical VBS batsman's reaction. You see very often he'll have a shocked expression on his face when it's given out, but in his bowled out with Shoaib Akhtar, this is just a great...
Those Yorkers are so lethal.
brilliant delivery. Absolutely unplayable, that one, even for the front-line batsman. And some swing in the air, then hitting the middle stump.
Able to accelerate. And bowled straight through. So the short one for the first ball, and then the quick Yorker. Why wasn't he trying to bowl quick earlier in the day? He's a much better bowler than when he does what he does best.
The batsman of the counter, Ravindra Simons, with a short delivery, and the next one, just a hint of reverse swing. Bang on the base of the off stump. The target was there, timber gone.
Hart. Now he was dismissed in the first innings. Through him. Bowled.
Yeah, simple as that. It's another great piece of bowling. In-swinging Yorker. Hart had no idea this time. He's yorked himself. What a great spell for Pakistan this is.
Shoaib Akhtar. the young giants. Will he give him the bounce? And listen to that crowd. Good crowding. They know what's on here. His last delivery is 138.4. The ball at the rear end is 148.4. Quick, not overly quick, just swung back in, tailed back into the gate. Of bowling, 151.1, a wicket maiden, superb fast bowling and a big breakthrough.
Only with good pace, 151 Ks, it swings in and it's right on the mark of middle and off. Ricky Ponting looking to play his favourite shot without the footwork we've been talking about. Tough job.
And the acid goes on the tail. Here's Akhtar again. Bowling. How quick is that? That is a ripper of a delivery, right on target. He's been out of the game for 9 months. The left-handers, he wants to have a good look at the whole castle, all 3 stumps. Wide of the stumps, tails back in, and it is a very, very fine delivery. And for your first ball up,
the selectors have got a real question mark to solve.
Bowled in, Akhtar Yorker. Tremendous delivery.
There's a kind of an opening of the eyes there, a wide-eyed look about Jonathan Trott, almost as if he didn't pick it up.
This is fantastic bowling. Shoaib Akhtar is on fire. What a ball, what a quick ball. Adam Gilchrist beaten for pace, had no answer to that Yorker.
Big Yorker this one. Watch it, goes wide of the crease. Zing, in she goes. Well, it's almost hit the stump on the full. Well, that was a quick delivery too. They were been in the 90-mile-an-hour zone, and that one.
Oh God, middle stump uprooted. Shoaib Akhtar has picked up 6 wickets. It's career best approaches there. Especially when he's looking to hit the ball through Thomas. And it's gone. Another Yorker. Bullseye.